The first tool isn't a wrench, it's your hand. Temperature tells the first story, cold metal here, warm metal here. That differential is a map of structural stress and corrosion depth we can't see yet. It tells you where the heat has been, where the stress is held, and where moisture might be trapped. Before we even think about tools, we need to understand the vehicle's state of being. Amateurs see rust. We see three distinct conditions with three distinct causes and cures. Surface rust is a weather story. It tells you how this car sat in the sun and rain. And then there's scaling. This is a moisture and time story. Each requires a different first response. You can't treat a chemical burn the same way you treat a sunburn. It's the same for metal. You said scaled. Good. That's the right word. Scaling means it was wet, then dry, then wet again, for decades. Or it's not just surface damage, it's a history of neglect written in layers. We don't attack this with a grinder. We delaminate it, carefully peeling back the layers of time to see what, if anything, is left to save. It's an archaeological dig, not a demolition. Saturated is a clinical term. Let's be specific. This is interstitial saturation. The moisture isn't just on top of the carpet. It's between every fiber, every layer of insulation, from the headliner all the way down to the floor pan. This isn't a spill from a coffee cup. This is a climate. The car has created its own internal weather system. The moisture has created a perfect microclimate for electrolytic corrosion. The floor pan isn't just rusty. So, before you turn a single bolt, you perform the 5-point decay audit. You're not looking for what's wrong. First is the skin, paint, trim, and glass. This tells you the weather exposure history, how much sun, how much rain, how much hail. This is the skeleton, and you need to know if the bones are good. Seized fasteners on the chassis? That's a structure and viscera problem combined. Moisture from the environment met the mechanical components. The water isn't just making the floor rusty, it's shorting out the car's central nervous system. The type of decay dictates the speed of your response. They must be stabilized within days, or they will continue to spread. It can be managed in the broader timeline of the project. You have time to plan for it. Because every hour it continues, it multiplies the damage in the nerve and core zones. We buy ourselves time, learn the language,